children, I'm Akanksha Gupta from EU Next Online Classes, a new source of knowledge. And today we will learn about the 7th chapter of Brain Drain, that is tourism taglines. So we will learn about different cities and their taglines with the help of an exercise. So let's begin. So as you can see, we have to match the taglines with their respective states, regions or cities. So these taglines are given in random orders. We have to match it with the correct city or place. So let us do it. So the first tagline is one state, many worlds. So can you guess this tagline could be of which place among the given option? Well, if you cannot, it's okay. I'm there to help you down. So the one state and many worlds is the tagline of Karnataka. So we will match one state, many words with Karnataka, as it is the tagline of Karnataka state. Well, the Karnataka state was originally known as the state of Mysore. Also, Karnataka celebrates 1st November as Karnataka Day. So, one state in many words is the tagline of Karnataka. Moving on to the second tagline, that is the hub of North India. So as you can see, the hub of North India, which means this place is situated in the northern part of India. So the hub of North India is Chandigarh. So we will connect the hub of North India with Chandigarh. That is option A. So Chandigarh is not only the capital of Punjab, but it is also the capital of Haryana. And the tagline of Chandigarh is the hub of North India. So coming down to the third tagline, that is India begins here. As the tagline suggests that this place might be sharing its border with some other country as well. So it is none other than Punjab. So Punjab also shares its border with Pakistan. So the tagline India begins here is the tagline of Punjab. So we will connect it or match it with Punjab. Coming down to the fourth tagline, that is the heart of incredible India. As you will see the map of India, you will observe that the middle part of India is Madhya Pradesh. As the name suggests, the heart of incredible India. So the heart of incredible India is none other than Madhya Pradesh, as it is situated in the central part of India. So we will connect the heart of incredible India with Madhya Pradesh, given in option number E. Coming down to the fifth tagline, that is God's own country. So this state is also known as God's own country. So among the remaining left ones, that is Kerala and Nagaland, we have to guess which one this tagline could be. So God's own country is the tagline of Kerala, and we will match this with Kerala. So Kerala is given the tagline of God's own country because of its beautiful nature, lush greenery and beautiful beaches. So God's own country is the tagline of Kerala. Coming down to the sixth tagline, that is land of festivals. So this is the tagline of state Nagaland, given exactly in front of the tagline. Nagaland is given the tagline of land of festivals because every month of Nagaland is celebrated as one of the festivals of various tribes of Nagaland. Coming down to the seventh tagline, that is where culture meets nature. So this is the tagline of state Tripura. So where culture meets nature is the tagline of Tripura. Tripura is one of the northeast states of India. Coming down to the eighth tagline, the sweetest part of India. So the sweetest part of India is the tagline of none other than the West Bengal. So we will match the sweetest part of India with West Bengal. West Bengal is given the tagline of the sweetest part of India because of its famous sweets. You must have heard about Mishti Doi, Shondesh. These all are the sweets of West Bengal. Therefore, West Bengal is given the tagline of the sweetest part of India. Coming down to the ninth tagline, it says UP नहीं देखा तो India नहीं देखा. So UP नहीं देखा तो India नहीं देखा is quite obvious that it is the tagline of none other than Uttar Pradesh. So we will match the tagline with the state given in the H part. As the tagline suggests, UP nahi dekha to India nahi dekha. So UP is the short abbreviation we use for Uttar Pradesh. So it is the tagline of Uttar Pradesh. Coming down to the last tagline, that is India's best kept secret. So India's best kept secret is the tagline of Odisha. Odisha is also famous for its beautiful beaches and its natural beauty. So this tagline suits well for Odisha. That is India's best kept secret. We were successful in matching all the taglines with their respective states. So let us now learn an amazing fact with the help of Factual. Kerala was the first Indian state that came up with its tagline in 1989. So the first tagline used by any state of India was Kerala, and that was in 1989. So this is it for today. We will meet in the next class with yet another chapter of Brain Train. Till then, keep learning new things.